Are you helping your brother, Jonesy? You helping Henry?
And Mommy.
Red.
Red, yeah. It's not black. It's white.
White.
Jonah, where's your brother? Where's Henry?
Henry.
Where's Henry?
Is he being good?
Say,
Let me see. Oh, he's nice.
say nice, Henry.
Is
Where-
his hair soft?
Careful.
Yeah.
Where's-
Really soft.
Hair.
Hair.
Head.
Where's his ears?
What is that? Ears.
Where's his arms? His hand? Hand. Hand. Oh,
Ears.
such a good
Where's
boy.
his nose?
Nose.
Yeah.
Eating that.
And what's that? Eyes. Does he have how many eyes? 2.
Do you blow him kisses? Can you give him kisses?
Oh, you want to lay down on the pillow with him? Oh. That's a
Yay, big brother.
Want to show him your train?
Show me trains.
Hey, look at my trains. Henry, look at Jonah's trains. Show him. Say, look. Wow. He says, wow.